Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing for Kids. Today, I'll show you how to draw and color a kitchen knife step by step. Let's get started. Draw the handle of the knife. Keep the lines smooth and simple. Add the blade and connect it carefully to the handle. Now the knife shape is complete. Draw the end of the handle and add a small hanging hole for extra detail. Let's get started. Color the handle bright red to make it stand out. Color the blade light gray and add a yellow circle to the handle. Great job! Your knife drawing is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this drawing tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to Easy Drawing for Kids. Don't forget to watch our next drawing video. See you next time.